Born at the Dearborn Ford plant in December 1970 is this 1971 Mustang Mach 1 in grabber blue with silver accents. Included in the $3,268 Mach 1 Sport Roof package is color-keyed spoilers and mirrors, NASA-type hood scoops, grille sport lamps, competition suspension, high-back bucket seats, hubcaps with trim rings, and wide oval belted tires. Add in the 429 cubic inch 4-barrel Cobra Jet engine with the awesome CJ-R designation for a mere $434, and you are off to a great start. Include a close ratio 4-speed manual with a Hurst shifter and 350 axle ratio at $216, and the Mach 1 Sports Interior Group for $130, and you are sitting pretty. How about some power steering at $115, power front disc brakes for $70, and rear deck spoiler at $32 to keep driving conditions under control. Finish the interior with a Stereosonic 8-track player for $134, AM radio for $66, console for $60, window tinting for $40, and a sports wheel cover for $23. This 1971 Mach 1 complete option package costs $1,322. Add in a $21 transportation charge, and the completed car listed for a total of $4,611. Imagine buying a beast like this for a whopping $4,611 in 1971. That is the equivalent of $35,000 in the year 2026. Contrast that expense to the cost of a base 2026 Mustang GT at $46,560. This 1971 Mach 1 was a pretty good deal. Care to guess what this fabulous example would sell for today? Please let us know.